If you watch television, you can't help but see ads for insurance. Health insurance, life insurance, property insurance, auto insurance, all kinds of insurance. And we all need insurance. We need insurance to protect ourselves if we're in an auto accident or if we have a property problem, such as a fire in our homes, or we have to plan for our future with life insurance. Yes, insurance is an important part to have in our life because what it does is it protects us from evil and bad things. And so when we talk about having insurance physically, do we ever think of having insurance spiritually? And how do we get it? Or where do we get it? Well, insurance is there to protect us. And there's no greater protector in our life than Jesus. He came to protect us. He is our good shepherd. He holds us in the palm of his hands, just as he took those sheep and held them in his arms. And he loves us. And he wants to make sure that no evil comes upon us. And when it does, he wants to ensure us that he is with us. And he knows that bad things do happen to good people. Bad things happen to good people. We're not in control of our life. And sometimes those things do happen that are not for the good. And the question is, will we have insurance to protect us during these times? Well, that's up to how you live your life. If you live your life as a follower of Jesus, and you live your life, the virtues that he taught us how to live, being good and kind and loving and concerned, these all are graces and blessings that are being stored up for us in heaven. And our insurance policy increases. And it's up to us to put as much as we can into that insurance policy for the time that we need it. And then when that final day comes and we are faced with our death, we have an insurance policy that we can max out, knowing that it is full of all the graces and blessings that we have used during this day, which is our life. And when we do, we will get a shoe-in to heaven. But how much insurance policy you have in heaven will depend on how much you want to invest in it. And like any earthly insurance policy, you can buy it for $25,000 up to millions of dollars. And the same thing can happen for us. It's not a monetary thing. It's a thing that's a sign of fulfillment. We, in our eternal insurance policy, are fulfilled when we fill it with the graces and blessings that we have earned during our life by being the kind of Christ-like person that God has asked us to be. So when you think about insurance, think about your spiritual insurance and think about how much you are going to invest into your future.